Hi everyone and welcome. My name is Moataz Nabil. I'm a developer advocate at Bitrise. And this is a recap video of the third day of Google I/O 2021. So the last day of Google I/O 2021 was yesterday. And during 3 days, we had a chance to know what's new from Google about different product, services, and technologies. The third day was a chance to watch the sessions that we missed, also participating in Ask Me Anything sessions, workshops, and join the Google developer communities around the world for networking, visual meetups, and collaboration, and to take a break to visit I/O adventures to learn new and creative skills. Because that, in this video we collected the top announcements from Google I/O 2021. Let's explore them together. The first one is the Android 12 beta version with a new look inspired by Material You, including different features related to refreshing widgets, launch animations, notifications, graphics, and privacy. Smart Canvas is a new experience that makes Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides more flexible and connected. Lambda, the AI conversation using machine learning. Google Maps improvement like the eco-friendly routes and safer routing. Vertex AI, the machine learning tools as one platform. TensorFlow Extend or TFX version 1, the open source and end-to-end platform for deploying production machine learning pipelines. Google Photos improvement with machine learning. Google Assistant improvement including common intents, vertical intents, custom intents, and interactive canvas. And the Firebase extension beta version to expand your app's functionality. And the Firebase app distribution now support the Android app bundles. Jetpack Compose version 1 will be released in July. And Flutter 2.2 with different improvement. Dart version 2.13. Dart Docker official image, and improvement in Google Mobile Ads SDK for Flutter. The next version of Android Studio is the Architect Fox Beta, and you can download it now. There is a new version of Android Studio. We can run all the unit and instrumentation tests using a unified Android Gradle test runner. The barrel device testing with Gradle management devices, and the emulator snapshot for test failures. I hope that you enjoyed the Google I/O 2021 events and didn't miss any important announcements. But if you missed any, you can watch our Google I/O playlist for all the announcements and also all the sessions on demand, and you can watch them. See you in the next event. Bye bye.